The greatest comeback of all time, the election of grace. I won't say I'm a big fan of Donald Trump, but I'm a big fan of great men. And since Donald Trump is a great man, I'm a big fan of him. Like him or hate him, Donald Trump is a great man. He has proved himself to be a determined and resilient man, even in the face of the fiercest opposition and humiliation. People whom he trusted and relied upon all abandoned him. They despised and betrayed him. He suffered shame that no other American president has suffered. Yet, all that didn't stop him from fighting for a cause that he knew would deliver his nation and the world from the hands of the wolves. His victory was a miracle, yet he put in the hard work. God's favor was upon him, yet he labored hard. He defied all odds and disempowered the opposition. Analysts didn't know how people could vote for a man whom everybody had rejected, yet God accepted. A convicted fellow, someone who more than 85% of the mainstream media spoke ill about. Even when he was a former president, they wanted to impeach him, but that didn't happen. Then COVID-19 came. They used that to attack him. But little did they know that he would come back, and yet, with full force. He overcame all the humiliation and assassination. He stood in victory and resisted wickedness. Trump's political comeback is indeed a most needed thing in our world. It has happened at a time when an end must be put to all evil killings and oppression of ordinary people. Reflecting on all of these, here are 10 key lessons and qualities I love about Donald Trump. His resilience. Despite facing relentless opposition and obstacles, Trump didn't give up and has the capacity to recover and stay strong, no matter the setback. His determination, Trump's commitment to fighting for his cause, even when it seemed like all odds were against him, reflects his strong resolve. His unwavering faith. Trump believed in God, combining faith with hard work to achieve his purpose. His steadfastness, even under fierce resistance and opposition, he held firm to his vision and values. His ability to stand alone, Trump demonstrated self-reliance by continuing his path, even when nobody was with him. His courage to rise above shame, he overcame public scorn and humiliation, remaining resolute and undeterred. His endurance through pain, Trump endured a lot of pain before he could achieve his gains. His passion for his mission, his drive to liberate his nation is admirable. His focus, Trump keeps his eye on his objective, navigating distractions with a single-minded pursuit. His consistency and tenacity, Trump remains consistent with his values and goals. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Read next, A Homeland Worth Fighting For. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgojmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Stop looking for a job, work is with you. 2. Financial empowerment. 3. The means of money. 4. 7 ways to crystallize your ideas. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.